Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Duplicator. This powerful plugin simplifies moving or backing up your entire website. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and search for Duplicator under the Plugins section. Install the plugin and then make sure to activate it immediately. This prepares your site for creating a complete package, safeguarding all your valuable content and settings. Once activated, locate Duplicator in your WordPress admin menu and choose to create a new package. Give your package a descriptive name like Website Backup August 10th to keep things organized. You can usually accept the default settings as they work well for most standard installations. Duplicator will then perform a quick system scan, ensuring your site is ready for the packaging process, which usually takes only a few moments. Once the package build completes, you will see two essential files available for download: an archive and an installer script. The archive, often several hundred megabytes in size, holds your entire website, including all files and the database. The smaller installer file is what you will use to unpack and restore your site later. Carefully download both of these files to a safe, easily accessible folder on your local computer. To restore your site, simply upload both the archive and the installer.php files to the root directory of your new web hosting. Then, navigate to the installer.php file in your web browser to launch the Easy Setup wizard. Follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to connect to your new database and complete the migration process. Always perform a thorough review of your restored site to confirm all functionalities are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.